know. At the moment, I'm just driving in the Ghana community side. This is community 9. You can see people are waking up, people are getting ready, you know. So guys, stay tuned. Guinness here, eh? Not Guinness. Mama, me vai. Mama, vai ao Fufu do Laro. Avio Rashi, minha mãe. Happy here.
Tochi, kuna na frente ya. Tochi. Anakuja tochi kwa bana. Ah, marabu, nami na.
Acho, lagi biar kiri bala di koga, eh? Anong kana o? Mami we bako anako. He. Go. Yeah. Ira ko yina la. In sapa bongo bruno ba. Lakano lache. Anya vufurara. Anya toto. Assim é toto. Oh, faz hoje o tá o fufuro, né? É? Assim é o fufuro toto. Dá mais toto.
Kangu la franya tutu.
Mpanya ya miso rangta salad. Salad ya woni. Ya won. Era ganola. Era ganola pa. Tá small. Obedi Fufu. Hello. Oh my God. Today has been very, very stressful, but guys, this is what you're doing, Ghana. I'm in Committee 1 right now. You know, it's very, very busy. I'm heading back to 26 right now. So guys, let's get home. It's busy. I'm going to Junction Mall in a bit. Then I'll talk to you guys from there. So in Ghana, whenever they start in the petrol, they always ask you to check because they believe people don't put what they require. I mean, they don't put the gasoline or the petrol in. So if you ask for 200, they believe they don't put the 200 in, but I asked for 30 Ghana cedis because I'm just going down the road. So I want to official power. We video that crowd mangrove. Yeah, big. And that's kind of bad. That's kind of nature. You just kind of this kind of like it's going to work for everyone. Tell me that. Yeah, inshallah.